Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Matlhodi Banda and I am a consistently profitable Forex trader. Today's a Monday, like it's a very gloomy Monday. I even overslept. Let me show you guys the weather outside. The sun is kind of coming out now. I am in a couple of trades. I'm going to show you guys screenshots. I've exited some of them because they were very big lot sizes. The way I trade now, guys, it's very aggressive. Like, I'm a very aggressive trader and I didn't start seeing profits until I started trading like this. So let me show you guys the trades that I'm in. Okay, I entered it right here. I'm gonna put screenshots. I entered it right here. I was able to capitalize heavily on this, and then this was my ideal take profit, this area here. However, I am looking to see if market can come up to here since we broke this channel, the top of the channel. So yeah, this is moving nicely. So this UJ, guys, like I entered it right here, and then like we're still selling, we're still selling. So like the trend that I noticed, guys, from last week Monday, I think you guys remember, I entered these very good trades and then market like pierced my ideal TP and went even further, right? So I'm trying to see if I can hold these the way I was supposed to have held last week. So, guys, like I popped a pump roller right here, like it was a scab, and then I took it out. Now I'm bleeding. But yeah, like something crazy happened today. Like I literally made 50% of my account before 10 a.m. guys. I had already reached my daily target. I had already reached my weekly target. Like that was like really crazy. So right now I just want to go out and take a walk. I remember a little over a year ago I used to watch Trader Snipe. I don't know, Trader Snipe or Trader Sniper. Trader Sniper. And this was a little after I had quit my job to pursue Forex full time. And like he would experience breakthroughs like the one that I'm experiencing now. And after trading or after a long trading day, he would get out of the house, pick up his phone and record on his phone. That's literally what I'm doing right now. And I'm looking at him like today and what he's doing and the things that he's achieved. Like, I'm really proud of him. I just, like, guys, and also it's also very heartwarming for me because I can relate to that, to his struggles very much. Like, there was a video where he was just talking about the circumstances that he comes from. Okay, I don't come from a previously disadvantaged background. I grew up very comfortable, but over the years, my parents stopped working, and then one thing led to another. Oh, that's my cousin. Where are you going? That's my cousin, guys. Where are you going? I go cap. I'm just I'm fit. So like this is TJ, guys, my cousin. So TJ, I was actually just talking to the camera because something crazy happened today. I literally reached my weekly target on a Monday morning. Like on the trading, on the Forex. And I literally made 100% of my capital, and I made 50% of what my account currently is. And Like, trading is more of an emotional sport, you know. It has everything to do with your psychology, you know. And I'm just trying to like conquer that right now, you know. I'm just addressing the psychological part behind the trades and how what I did affected me. Yeah.
Hello everybody. So I got distracted earlier on, but still the same day, April the 10th on a Monday. Right now it's about 6 p.m. And so yeah, earlier on I was just talking about how I feel right now. And I just want to talk about how I was so frustrated because like coming back onto the YouTube and doing it like full time again, like it was so discouraging for me because I wasn't hitting the numbers that I was hitting back then when I started, you know. And back then, like I was hitting the numbers, like I was hitting crazy numbers, and it was only the beginning and I did not know what I was doing. I am going to acknowledge that I did neglect my YouTube channel for a very long time, you know, and part of the reason why the algorithm does not recognize my videos anymore is because of that. I'm not going to lie, like a lot of people kind of lost confidence in me and the Forex thing because like a lot of people came to my YouTube channel to watch because nobody was doing Forex content like I was doing then, you know. And like back then, guys, I was just confused. I didn't know what I was doing. I was just winging it, you know. But now that I'm here, like I have acquired enough knowledge for me to be able to sit here and be qualified. Like I feel like I'm qualified now to be creating Forex trading content. I had to think about what I was doing back then, and I remembered how consistent I was. I think the lockdown helped me a lot because I remember during lockdown I was creating content every single day and posting it every single day, and I think that's the model that I have to go back to now. And I think now that I am starting to enjoy the fruits of my labor when it comes to like the Forex thing, and I'm starting to see progress in my Forex trading journey. That's what I'm going to start doing now. Speaking about going back to the beginning, like that's literally the model that I used even with my Forex trading journey. Like I had to go back to the beginning. I had to go back to how I was doing things back then when I was starting to see light. Like that thing that made me be confident enough to come up to the world and say, listen, I'm doing Forex, you know? Like I had to go back to that, you know, that mindset, because along the way, guys, I really did get lost. I'm going to talk about those things later on in the Forex, later on in the videos or whatever, but I really don't want to dwell on the past right now. But like, I really did lose myself, you know. Like when my laptop went missing, guys, like that was like shit. Like I did not realize then just how much of an impact that whole thing had to me and to my mental health and my emotions. And like looking back now, like that's where all of my frustration started, you know. That's where all of my frustration started. That's when like I kind of lost myself, and that was because like I couldn't, like I could still trade, I could still do this, I could still do that, but I didn't have the tools that made me enjoy doing all of those things, you know. And yeah, I just don't want to dwell on the past right now, you know. I just want to say thank you for being with me. If you are a day one, honey, your loyalty is recognized. Thank you for sticking with me to better things. Like we're moving forward now, and yeah, guys, let's just trade. Oh yeah, I also wanted to give you guys like a trade update, right? So the market ended up reversing, guys. And I think the lesson that I learned today is don't marry a trade. Don't marry a position.
So GU, I was in this GU double bottom, right? This is what made it a double bottom. Okay, cool. I'm gonna remove that. And then, so this was my other ideal TP, right? Whereas my first TP was here, and then it got hit, pierced, went through, and then that happened, right? And then, guys, I was married to this buy position here. So this was the buy position that I was in earlier on, right? With my other stop loss here. Yeah, the other stop loss here, which I kind of got taken out by this consolidation here. And then, guys, this was my ideal TP. So I was so married to this position that I was like, okay, when market comes to this area, I'm gonna enter. Guys, I entered, and then like I literally hit stop loss. And mind you, like I kind of learned the hard way with making your stop loss very, very tight, right? So I made my stop loss very, very breathable. So my stop loss was right there. And then this is what happened, guys. This is what happened, guys. This is what happened. So the mistake that I made with GU marrying the position is that I overlooked what market was doing overall. You know, I forgot, like I was so married to this buy here. Like, you know how market will break an area and retest the area. We broke an area, we retested, you know. So I was thinking like this W here is a retest, you know. So that's the mistake that I made. And like I overlooked that the market was coming down, you know, from this area here. I'm gonna go to the 4 hour for you guys to see. From this area right here, you know, market had reached this order block here. Basically, this order block here, or you can see this neckline here, you know. And then guys, we live and we learn. Hey, I'm not that like bummed about this, you know, from this area here. Actually, let's do the daily. I think it's more visible on the daily. Yes, it is. Yes, this order block here. So that's why it's important for you to look at what the market is doing also on the daily chart, which is something that I do. I only do that like on a weekend. I don't do that like every day, you know. But I think right now I had to look back and see what is happening, you know. And I kind of learned a lesson that it really is important for you to look at what the market is doing on the daily chart every single day before entering, you know, because I definitely could have avoided that mistake. So right now I'm looking to see if market will come down till here, or maybe till here. Okay, but we're here right now. We're there right now. And then on the 1 hour chart, I'm looking to see how market will react to this area. And then looking at the 15-minute chart, I'm looking to see if for London Open tomorrow, how market will react to this area here. Yeah, to this area here. And I'm looking to see if it will also come to the neckline. Yeah, this neckline here. So this is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow. Yeah. And then let's look at this UJ sell that I was in. Was selling nicely. Hey, here we sold nicely. So this was my ideal TP, right? But then I left it to go through the ideal TP because last week what happened was that market went through, it pierced through my ideal TP and then it just carried on going, which is the same thing that happened here, guys. We carried on going and going and going until this is what happened. Literally, I brought my stop loss here because I mean it just made sense to me. And then market just took me out, bruh. And I was so ready to sell some more here. But looking at these positions, like, I have justified what was happening here, and let me show you guys. The mistake that I overlooked was coming from daily chart. From the daily chart, like, I just didn't see that market is rejecting this area here with these candlesticks here that we see here, you know. And going to the 1 hour chart, if you zoom out, you can see that market really did reject an area here. This area was very, very important, and market came up from that area and it was just, you know, doing its thing. No, but market was really doing its thing, you know, doing its thing. Yeah, guys, I'm kind of messy, okay, so please forgive me. That's why I like to keep my charts as clean as possible. That's really, really important to me. So looking now, market broke. Since market broke this area here, I'm looking to see if it will break this area here, and then it will if it will make this area a neckline, which kind of looks like it will be a neckline. Tomorrow I want to see if market will retrace to somewhere and then go back up.
And that's literally what I did today, but I'm glad that I capitalized on that, you know, and I didn't lose all of my money, you know, because I did go back to trade during New York session, but I was so married to the trades and the positions that I was in that I re-entered those, and then stop loss was hit, but I didn't enter them with like the same risk that I had entered with before. Like, I was gone, guys. I was gone, but now I'm back and I'm here and I'm back. And yeah, if you like this kind of content, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you for watching.